Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at a high-performing, feature-packed TV accessory that promises to eliminate your cable bills while giving you access to an impressive range of channels. Say hello to the 2025 upgraded HD TV antenna by Veaxetu. This indoor and outdoor digital antenna claims a jaw-dropping reception range of over 2,500 miles. Sounds too good to be true? Let's put it to the test and find out. First impressions. Right out of the box, you get a sleek, compact antenna unit, a built-in signal amplifier, and a generous 35-foot coaxial cable. That extra length is great because it gives you flexibility to position the antenna exactly where it can get the best signal. The packaging is fairly minimal but well organized. It's plug and play, and even if you're not tech-savvy, setup takes under 5 minutes. So what's the promise here? Veaxetu says you'll never need to pay for cable again. This antenna is compatible with smart TVs, older HD TVs, and even TV converter boxes. Whether you're using a 4K UHD television or something more basic, it's ready to go. It also works with streaming devices like Fire TV Stick, giving it a modern edge. The tech inside is where things get interesting. It uses a next-generation smart IC chip combined with crystal clear filter technology. This combo is supposed to reject FM and cellular signals, giving you clearer image quality and less noise. During our testing, this definitely made a difference. On a smart TV in an urban environment, we picked up over 70 channels, all with solid clarity. The signal held up well even during rainy weather, and we didn't experience the kind of lag or pixelation you'd expect from lower-end antennas. Another standout feature is the signal amplifier. It supports a 360-degree reception range and is adjustable. If you're within 35 miles of a broadcast tower, you can switch the amplifier to short-range mode to avoid overpowering the tuner. For those of you living in rural areas, this could be a game-changer, especially if you struggle to get reception through traditional antennas. We tested the antenna in different locations around the house, next to a window, near the TV, even outdoors on the patio. The best results were next to a window on a higher floor. The 35-foot cable definitely helped in this scenario. Each time we moved the antenna, we re-scanned for channels as recommended, and the channel count did fluctuate a bit, but generally stayed high. Let's talk about durability. The build feels solid for the price. It's not rugged or weatherproof in a heavy-duty sense, but for a mix of indoor and light outdoor use, it holds up well. Keep in mind that the performance is heavily reliant on your placement and surroundings. If you're surrounded by tall buildings or thick walls, your range will be impacted, despite the 2,500-mile claim. As for the value proposition, Veaxetu claims you can save up to $3,000 a year by ditching cable. While that's dependent on your current subscription fees, the cost savings over time are definitely real. No monthly bills, no contracts, just one-time setup and you're good to go. Finally, customer support is mentioned as a major selling point, with lifetime technical assistance offered. While we didn't run into issues that required contacting support, it's good to know the brand backs the product with that kind of service commitment. So what's our verdict? The 2025 upgraded HD TV antenna by Veaxetu delivers on most of its promises. It's easy to install, versatile across different TV models, and offers strong signal performance. Especially for users who are within a decent range of broadcasting towers. While the 2,500-mile range may be more of a marketing exaggeration, the overall functionality and value make it a smart buy for anyone looking to cut the cord. That wraps up our review. If you're considering switching to an over-the-air setup or just want a reliable backup for when your internet goes down, this antenna is definitely worth checking out. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our hands-on tech critiques. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next one.